So in today's news, it looks like Celebrity Cruises is adopting another offering from its sister brand, Royal Caribbean, and today I'm telling you everything you need to know about it. Recent reports suggest that Celebrity Beyond and some other ships in the Celebrity fleet will now provide the option to purchase the unlimited dining package for your upcoming cruises. While Celebrity has traditionally offered the 3 to 5 night dining package, allowing visits to any specialty restaurants for a set fee, this new package is reminiscent of the unlimited dining option long offered by Royal Caribbean. And by the way, if this is your first time here, my name is Tom Sunday. I make weekly cruise videos, and if that's your cup of tea, I'll be thrilled if you hit the subscribe button. This package can be a substantial cost-saving option compared to purchasing individual visits to specialty restaurants. Having utilized this package on at least 5 of my Royal Caribbean cruises, I find it to be a great choice for those looking to completely avoid the main dining room. With this package, you can dine at any specialty restaurant as many times as you'd like during your cruise, for both lunch, only on sea days, and dinner every night of your sailing. I absolutely love this because I was able to go to any specialty restaurant any night of my cruise. I got to try all of them and had a bunch of repeats to my favorites, as well as having the additional options to go to lunch on sea days at some of these paid restaurants as well, which is really honestly a great choice. These restaurants are way ahead of the main dining room, and if you're a foodie, this could be a great option for your cruise. However, there are a few caveats to consider. Tasting menus, usually paired with wine at restaurants like Murano, Eden, La Voyage, and others, will come with the additional surcharge on top of your unlimited dining package price. So if you'd like to participate in those special tasting menus, you will have to pay a little extra. Another notable drawback is that reservations cannot be made before boarding the ship. Unlike purchasing a single specialty dining experience, where you can reserve a specific day and time via your cruise planner beforehand, the unlimited dining package requires onboard reservations. This could potentially lead to less desirable dinner times or difficulty even securing reservations during peak sailings, so consider this before booking. You will not be able to make your reservations until you physically get on the ship. In my opinion, this is a worthwhile and cost-effective option for cruisers seeking an elevated dining experience. Anything that gives people options to save money is a good addition in my book. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.